sa lahat. Warm greetings and great vibes to all of you here today. How are we all feeling? Good? Good? There we go. Perfect. Kasi ang gaganda at kagwapo ng live audience natin today. So I'm very excited. My name is Bea Fabregas Ramos. I am your host and welcome to the third episode of Wilkins Health Circle webinars kung saan ang goal natin is to support every member in their journey towards a healthier family. So to help us with our topic, are you guys ready to welcome our expert today? She is actually a registered nutritionist and dietitian who is an expert in cellular nutrition. She graduated from the University of Santo Tomas with a bachelor's degree in nutrition and dietetics. Ladies and gentlemen, moms and the rest of Wilkins Distilled family, let's all welcome Mary Rose Del Rio, R&D.
Hello, everyone. Hi,
All right.
Bea.
Hi, Mary Rose. It's so nice to see you today. Let's take a seat. Let's get into it. I'm really excited. As I mentioned, we're going to be talking about a favorite topic of yours today, no? But how are you first?
I'm feeling energized with the audience right now. So good afternoon to our studio audience and those at home. Hello, everyone. So I'm sure maraming matututunan ng ating Wilkins Distilled family today. Not just go, grow, and glow. So we will talk about more health, nutrition, and beyond.
We are going to be discovering more today and, of course, why it's important in the long term.
Definitely, Bea, because given the so much misinformation happening right now in the internet, people need a louder voice para talagang meron tayong mapakinggan at, something that can remind us ano ba talaga yung important, especially in terms of long-term health.
Are you guys excited to welcome our guest today? All right, mga ka-Wilkins Distilled family, let's give a warm welcome to our power celebrity parents. Of course, a positive role model for families and an advocate for good family health. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Ding Dong and Marian Dantes. Hi! Oh my gosh, we are so excited to get into the discussion.
Hello, everyone.
Naku, ano mo sa totoo lang, yan ang isa sa pinakabagay na pinagpapasalamat namin doon. Kasi sobrang nag-e-enjoy talaga kami sa bawat moment na nakikita namin at kasama namin yung mga anak namin. So, it's priceless talaga.
Super priceless dahil sobrang unpredictable ang mga po pwedeng mangyari daily. Pero super worth it. Kasi siyempre, parating nga namin sinasabi na as we are learning as parents, we also learn from our kids. Kaya ang daming natututunan every day.
I'm sure maraming nakaka-release sa journey na ito, nakasama natin yung pamilya natin sa pagpapalaki ng mga anak natin. At sinasabi nga natin talagang hanggang kaya nating subaybayan yung journey na yun, sasamahan talaga natin sila. Siyempre, mahalaga din nakasama natin dyan yung pagpapahalaga sa pagkain ng bawat isang pamilya, di ba? Very important yan para sa amin.
Everyone, welcome to Usapang Nutrisyon.
Paano nga ba magsimula? Ayan, I'm sure that's a question of most of us here, regardless if you just would like to commit or currently or committing to a healthier lifestyle. It's very important to revisit yung first advice natin, and that is, of course, start with your why. No? Kasi healthy lifestyle, commitment siya, decision siya. Right? So, and that entails you having a compelling why. Dapat may hugot tayo, guys. It's not enough for you to say na, sige, gusto kong maging healthy, or sige, gusto kong magpapayat, ganyan. Kailangan lagyan natin siya ng konting hugot. Why do you want to become healthier? Why do you want to lose weight? So, hugot such as, gusto mo nakikita yung anak mo na lumalaki siya, very healthy eventually, gusto mo makita yung anak mo na may sarili din siyang pamilya, or you don't want to spend yung mga sobrang mahal na medical expenses kasi sabi nga nakakaubos ng yaman. Magkasakit dito sa Pilipinas, tama ba?
Hindi, nakakatawa si Dong, i-share ko sa inyo. Sa pamilya namin, siya talaga yung talagang health conscious. Talagang sa kanya kami nagdidepende lahat, how to be healthy, anong dapat kainin, anong dapat tamang inumin. So sa kanya lahat, palagi niya sinasabing, alam mo mahal, gusto ko talagang maging healthy. Bukod sa sarili ko, kasi gusto kong masubaybayan ng anak ko hanggang pagtanda ko. So yun ang rason namin kung bakit gusto namin maging healthy. Para hanggang dulo, nandun kami to support yung mga anak namin.
Sa totoo lang, nag-umpisa yung sa amin. Gusto ko lang kumasya doon sa pantalon ko noong 26 years old ako. Sabi ko, paano kaya? So siguro kailangan mag-healthy. Pero yun yung unang mababaw na why. Pero siyempre, nung na nagkapamilya na kami, mas lumalim na lumalim, hindi lang para sa amin ngayon yung dahilan ng pagiging healthy, pero para sa pamilya, para sa mga anak na rin. And siguro more importantly, we really also want to espouse yung modeling, meaning pag makikita kasi nila sa amin kung paano namin binibigyang halaga yung aming kinakain, yung kinoconsume, yung ginagawa, all the activities, gagayahin din nila yon, and then therefore it also becomes a way of life para sa buong pamilya, hindi lang sa amin, hindi lang sa mga bata.
So dapat sa atin pa lang nakikita nila na, ay, mama's eating vegetables. I want to eat. I want to try also. So yun yung magiging dahilan niya na ikaw ang unang-una niyang modelo para gayahin ka niya.
At that point, at the young age of 2 years old, napansin ko na pwede ka na mag-model na, okay, ito yung nasa plate natin. Gulay, balanced meal. Yan yung why namin, Mary Rose.
And
Oo.
so I'm sure ang ating mga studio audience and those at home are also refreshing, no? Ano nga ba talaga yung why ko? Why do I want to be healthier? So I hope at this point, no, nare-refresh yung ganun natin so that we can have a better perspective towards long-term health. So that's the first. Second naman is we have to be objective. So healthy nga ba talaga tayo or feeling lang natin? Because we have to know where we are right now para alam natin saan tayo papunta. Should I gain weight, lose weight, or maintain lang ako? Right? So we have what we call ABCDs of nutritional assessment. ABCD meaning A, it stands for anthropometric assessment. Probably for some, we have been hearing about the body mass index, the body fat percentage, even body water na may measure yan. B is for biochemical assessment. Yun yung nagpapa-lab check tayo sa ospital, executive check-ups, right? We get to see yung mga lipid profile natin, cholesterol, sugar. C is for clinical assessment. Yun yung mga signs and symptoms. Something na nararamdaman mo or nakikita sa'yo ng tao, things that you don't need to neglect. And you should also honestly share that to your doctor kasi baka kung ano na yan. Right? Signs and symptoms are actually late manifestation of a certain illness or disease. So wag po natin pag walang bahala, pag alam mo yon, meron tayong kakaibang nararamdaman na hindi mo naman talaga usual nararamdaman. D, that's the last. It stands for the dietary assessment. It's for nutrition, which is actually our main focus for today. From there, you can clearly move forward with excitement and direction. And syempre, best with an accountability partner, right? Like our power couple here, or probably you can do it with your sibling or with a friend na talaga namang ka-fitness goals natin dyan. So, dapat meron tayong two things, the macros and the micro. Yan, yun yung parang somehow, yun yung checklist mo sa brain natin, no? Okay, itong kinain ko may macro, micro. So what are the macros? Basic, your carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Though we just need to observe the quality and the quantity of your macros and micros. For example, yung carbohydrates natin, we have different sources of carbohydrates apart from rice. Kung hindi ko mahilig sa rice, pwede rin naman na mag-bread ka. Mga rice substitute po yung tawag natin doon. And kung nag-rice ka na, ideally, pili ka lang doon either of the two. Na wag natin ilalahatin. As we understand yung mga ganong nutrition principles, actually, mas mafe-feel mo yung confidence na kahit kumain ka sa kainan or mag-eat out ka, you can do smart eating. Alright? And for your fat sources, we have the healthier sources naman, like yung avocado, yung tag-avocado ngayon, di ba? Salmon, and also observe natin yung healthier cooking methods. Meron na tayong mga air fryer, right? Mga sauteing, grilling, and also yung calorie counting, very important din yan, definitely. Conscious tayo that if you would not go beyond yung ating caloric intake per day, definitely hindi tayo magiging overweight.
Ano ba ang ideal calorie count per day ng isang average Filipino?
It actually depends also, medyo personalized yung niya, depending on your height, weight, and your daily physical activity. But usually for women, sabihin na natin na nagre-range siya to 1/4 to 1/8. Then again, depende siya sa physical activity mo. Sometimes kino-customize natin. Pero kung athletic yung woman, and very grabe talaga yung physical activity niya, it can go more than that. For male, usually 2,000 calories pataas yan.
So it's really balanced, di ba? Having that balanced meal. I think also may part dun yung overthinking, no? Yung parang lagi mo iniisip, di ba? Parang, okay, kailangan healthy. So parang in that effort na maging healthy, nag-overthink ka na. Actually, the way Mary Rose is talking about it, parang napakasimple lang pala maging healthy, di ba? Are you guys learning a lot? Because I really am from this discussion. Ito, I want to learn about vitamins. Kasi alam ko, meron tayong supplements, pero meron ding vitamins na nakukuha natin from food. So can you suggest yung mga, good food that have rich vitamins for us?
Yes, good food that has rich vitamins for us, definitely and obviously healthy, no? Kita naman natin yan, yung mga fruits and vegetables natin, in which usually kids, very challenging talaga sometimes, right, sa kanila. So para saan nga ba talaga yung vitamins and minerals? Usually, I'm asked by my clients and patients na, talaga ba, kailangan yan umaga, tanghali, gabi? Well, para saan nga ba talaga yan? Vitamins and minerals are important to release the energy coming from your macros, right? So si macro, siya yung may calories. So ang tanong, pag pumasok yan sa katawan mo, how do you release that energy? Yung cellular metabolism na yan. So yung role ng micronutrients natin, so they really go hand in hand. That's why hindi siya and or. It has to be always both. The macro and micro has to be bawat pagsubo, pagkain natin, meal man yan, snack man yan, do I have a macro? Do I have a micro here? Kasi sino dito, sometimes you feel na after mong kumain, grabe, antok na antok ka, ganyan. So guys, no, food should make us feel energized, not tired. So it's actually a sign na, grabe, hindi tayo kulang sa tulog, kulang lang tayo sa vitamins and minerals. So how do you get it? Sa 9-inch plate natin, yun yung ideal, no? Kailangan kalahati talaga. Ito yung ideal. But of course, let's face the reality. Talagang sa kabisihan natin, no? Not all the time. But ideal, kalahati ng bawat plato natin, kahit anong luto yan ng gulay, okay yan. Or magsalad ka dyan. Yung simpleng lettuce, cucumber, kung if you don't have much time to prepare, konting minutes lang naman yan, right? So, and then at 1 to 2 servings of fruits.
Mary Rose, anong i-prepare natin today? First time kong ganito, may pa-kitchen setup.
Yeah, so this is something fun. Also, you can invite your kids to join you sa preparation kasi talagang mas na-enjoy nila kainin yung pagkain if they are involved right after. Ayan. So, meron tayong something savory and sweet. Something na definitely masarap yan, nutritious, affordable, di ba, swak sa budget, and quick. Especially sa ating mga quick to prepare para sa ating busy parents.
Sobrang ganda ng sinabi mo, affordable, quick to prepare, nutritious, and sabi nga ni Marian kanina, kailangan excited sila na iinganyo kumain. So, what are we looking at here?
Meron po tayong whole wheat chicken empanada with vegetables. So, kesa yung regular lang natin na, dough ng empanada, ganyan. So, this time, we did mga healthier food substitutes. Ingredients lang. So, ganun lang guys, kasimple yung pagiging healthy. Whole wheat chicken empanada with vegetables.
And actually, everybody in the audience is going to try this as well. So, ayan, pinapass around natin yung healthy
Ayan, sige
snack
lang.
natin. Ako din, I'm so curious, I want to try.
Ayan, go ahead. Sige, I'll try that later. So again, there's no one-size-fits-all answer as everyone has their own nutrition requirements. So the best course of action, if you'd like to have more nutritious diet, is to consult your nutritionist, dietitian, and stick to the plan they provide. If you don't have access to a trusted registered nutritionist, dietitian, a good rule of thumb is to follow intuitive eating, meaning you have to focus on eating what you know your body needs.
Thank you again for having us, Wilkins Distilled. Sobrang literal na nabusog kami sa napakaraming kaalaman ngayong hapon. Thank you very much, Mary Rose. Bea, maraming salamat din. At sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat din.
Ayan, syempre remind ko lang sa mga parents and sa mga pamilya na laging kumonsulta sa mga experts pagdating sa kalusugan ng inyong pamilya.
Tama, always trust the experts.
That's correct. We really need to be more cautious and consult with a professional. If meron kayong pagdududa or concerns about a particular topic, it's best to consult with a professional such as doctor or registered nutritionist, dietitian, experts sa mga fields na concerns po natin to get accurate and reliable information.
Again, maraming salamat to the Dantes family and Mary Rose for sharing your valued time with us. I'm sure marami ang na-enlighten today sa ating napaka-interesting na topic. Of course, sa ating studio audience, we love you guys. Sobrang participative. Sobrang thank you sa inyo. And I want to give a special shout out to Mommy Mundo, Smart Parenting, the Asian Parent, Women of Opinion, and the rest of our Wilkins Distilled family. Of course, everybody watching at home, I hope you enjoy our Wilkins family kits. Of course, for those who want to purchase Wilkins Distilled products online, just scan this QR code para dalhin kayo sa ating mga online retail partners. On behalf of everyone here with me, my name is Bea Fabregas Ramos, and until the next Wilkins Distilled Health Circle, ingat po kayong lahat.